Welcome back to Tech Goods. If you're someone who loves spending time outdoors but also values comfort, style, and protection from the elements, then today's review is for you. We're diving deep into the EROMMY 12x20 Aluminum Patio Gazebo, a structure that promises durability, elegance, and functionality for your backyard, deck, or patio. Whether you're setting up for entertaining guests, creating a peaceful lounge area, or building a stylish outdoor retreat, this gazebo might just be what you're looking for. So let's explore all the features, pros, cons, and what real users are saying. And by the end of this video, you'll know if this is the right gazebo for your space. Let's start with the basics. The EROMMY Patio Gazebo is a hardtop structure that measures 12 feet in width and 20 feet in depth, giving you a total coverage area of 240 square feet. That's a generous amount of space, large enough to comfortably fit a full-size outdoor dining table, a couple of loungers, or even a complete patio set. The size makes it ideal for everything from quiet family dinners to full-blown backyard parties. Whether you have a patio, a poolside lounge area, or a garden deck, this gazebo can elevate the space significantly by adding shade, structure, and sophistication. The construction quality of this gazebo is one of its standout features. It comes with a roof made from powder-coated galvanized steel, a material that's not only resistant to rust and fading, but also capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions like heavy snow and strong winds. This makes it a true four-season gazebo built to last for years. The frame is constructed from powder-coated aluminum, which is lightweight yet remarkably strong. Together, these materials offer a solid, stable, and durable structure that won't bend, rot, or deteriorate under outdoor exposure. It's designed to give you peace of mind while adding an upscale aesthetic to your space. Functionality is another area where the EROMMY Gazebo excels. One of its key features is the dual rail system that lets you easily slide both the side curtains and the mesh screens. This makes it simple to control privacy, sunlight, and airflow. Each post also comes with integrated strapping straps that allow you to tie back the curtains when not in use, giving you flexible styling options. In addition, the interior of the roof includes both U and J-shaped hooks, which are incredibly useful for hanging outdoor lighting, ceiling fans, or decorative plants. These thoughtful design elements make the gazebo both practical and customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your lifestyle and taste. Comfort is a huge consideration for outdoor spaces, and EROMMY addresses this beautifully with its dual roof design. Unlike single roof structures that can trap heat and feel stuffy, the double roof layout encourages airflow and helps ventilate hot air upwards and out. The gap between the two roof layers includes mesh panels that keep bugs and insects from sneaking in while still allowing fresh air to circulate. This means you can sit comfortably under the gazebo on hot summer days without worrying about mosquito bites or overheating. It creates a much more enjoyable and breathable environment, whether you're relaxing alone or hosting a group. Another great feature of the EROMMY Gazebo is its adaptability to different types of surfaces. Each of the gazebo's legs comes with a pre-drilled base, which makes anchoring it to your chosen surface much easier and more secure. Whether you're setting it up on grass, a wooden deck, or concrete, the included mounting hardware helps ensure stability. The gazebo doesn't come with foundation materials, so you'll need to make sure your surface is prepared for installation, but the design accommodates uneven terrain well. This makes it a suitable option for a wide range of outdoor settings, giving you more freedom to choose the best location for your setup. Assembling the EROMMY Gazebo is no small task, but it's very manageable if you're prepared. The product comes with all the necessary tools and a detailed instruction manual which helps streamline the process. On average, you'll need about 5 to 6 hours to complete the installation, ideally with the help of 3 or 4 people. The parts are clearly labeled and fit together well, but the roof section in particular can be challenging due to its height and weight. One important thing to note is that the gazebo ships in 6 separate boxes, which may not arrive at the same time. It's best to wait until all the packages are delivered before starting the assembly. Inside the box, or rather boxes, you'll find everything you need for setup minus the foundation materials. The package includes mounting hardware, side curtains, and mesh panels, all of which are designed to work seamlessly with the frame and roof structure. The curtains and screens are made from high-quality materials and feel durable enough to last through different weather conditions. These accessories aren't just afterthoughts, they're built to fit perfectly into the frame's dual rail system and offer a great mix of functionality and style. This level of completeness means you won't have to spend extra money buying separate curtains or hardware. Let's take a look at what users are actually saying. One user praised the build quality, saying, "Very well built gazebo and not too difficult to assemble. Parts were very well identified. Instructions were decent but could have been a little more detailed. I'm amazed at how well everything went together and how good the engineering was. Highly recommend this gazebo to anyone who is searching for one. This reflects the overall sentiment from many buyers who found the structure solid, the materials high quality, and the design impressively engineered. It's clear that the product delivers on its promises, especially when it comes to sturdiness and visual appeal. Another user shared an interesting experience. They said, "This is the second one, as the first was unhooked for some work on the pool deck and a wind gust lifted it and destroyed it somehow. We loved how it looked so much I immediately ordered another one. It definitely takes time to put together. The roof is a little tough, but I actually built most of it myself. Needed one person to get the tallest point attached. A few people would definitely make it easier." This speaks volumes about how much users love the finished product even when setbacks occur. The visual impact and quality are strong enough that people are willing to buy it again after damage. Now, let's summarize the key benefits. First, the gazebo offers a generous and flexible 240 square feet of space, ideal for large gatherings or personal relaxation zones. Second, it features durable materials like powder-coated galvanized steel and aluminum that are made to resist rust, corrosion, and fading. Third, its dual rail system, pre-included curtains and screens, and dual roof design offer both comfort and customization. Fourth, the structure adapts well to different surface types thanks to its pre-drilled base. And finally, thoughtful design elements like interior hooks for lighting and fans add real lifestyle value to the setup. No product is perfect, and there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the installation process can be time-consuming and may be difficult for one person to handle alone. Second, while the instruction manual is helpful, it could benefit from a bit more detail, especially during the roof assembly section. Third, the fact that it ships in 6 boxes that may arrive at different times can be frustrating if you're eager to get started. Lastly, it doesn't include foundation materials, so you'll need to plan for that separately depending on your installation surface. Overall, the EROMMY 12 feet by 20 feet. Aluminum Patio Gazebo is a fantastic addition to any outdoor space for those seeking style, durability, and function. It offers a combination of spaciousness, strength, and smart design features that make it stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're setting up for weekend barbecues, evening relaxation, or a cozy reading nook, this gazebo has the size and structure to handle it all. While it does require some effort and planning to install, the payoff is a stunning and reliable centerpiece that can transform your backyard or patio into a comfortable oasis for years to come. Thanks for watching this full review of the EROMMY Aluminum Patio Gazebo here on Tech Goods. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews. Got questions or your own experience with this gazebo? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, enjoy your outdoor space and stay tuned for more gear that helps you live better.